Today I'm going to be trying the Winter Fantasy by Beetles. This collection is beautiful. The packaging is amazing. Look at the detail. I mean, wow. This really took some thought and I love it. I'm here for it. Wow. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I mean, just look at it. What color would you choose? Let me know. The kit also came with these for the stand, 2 base coats, 2 top coats, and again, the packaging is to die for. We have some cuticle oil, and then here are all the nail polishes. Since they swatched it for me, I'm just going to be showing it to you. But I really love this nail polish. The consistency is really good. I like how it's not too runny, and you can easily spread the product. All these colors are so beautiful. I have these acrylic shelves that I've been meaning to hang in my office. I haven't done so, but these nail polishes definitely deserve a whole shelf or 2. I don't know, however many it takes, but they definitely deserve a place on my wall. I personally don't love winter only because my hands get so dry. I literally have to be lathering Vaseline on like 3 to 4 times a day, because if not, my hands would just get so dry. Now, I used the base coat, and I'm going to be doing a winter Skittle manicure. Just because there's so many beautiful colors, I legit cannot choose, and I'm like, let me just pick my 5 favorite. My husband ended up picking these out for me, so shout out to him for helping me out. I couldn't decide. If it were up to me, I would have done like 10 different colors, 1 for each fingernail, but I don't know, that would have looked a little crazy. So here I went with like a dark, moody winter Skittle manicure. And I also want to thank Beetles for sponsoring this video. These products are amazing. I absolutely love them. I love the new HEMA-free formula. I love all the colors, the packaging, and just look at the first coat compared to the second coat. The color is really opaque, but the second coat's the best. And here are the final results. I love all these colors. Let me know what you think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.